Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Sport S in Firecracker Red with LED headlamp and fog lamp group, adaptive cruise control, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 34,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, remote start system, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10552A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.